डॉ. फिलिप पिंटो मेमोरियलाच्या यादिस्तिकान अखिल गोय मेजर रँकिंग टेबल टेनिस टोर्नामेंटाचे उक्तावण पणजेच्या वास्को द गामा क्लबात जाले. ह्या वेळार उपसभापती मायकल लोबोच्या हस्तुकी टोर्नामेंटाचे उक्तावण जाले. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिक्स.
I'm very happy. It's a great honor and pleasure to be here for this table tennis. आम्ही ऐकलं टेबल टेनिस खूप कडक आहा पण म्हाका दिसता ते कमी जायत गेल्ले आहा. टेबल टेनिस इज जस्ट गोईंग आउट फ्रॉम द स्पोर्ट्स आणि हियर इट इज कबीर पिंटो मकीजा who wants to keep it alive. Club Vasco da Gama, I think it is there in Mapsa, आमचे पेडेम स्पोर्ट्स क्लब. आणि I remember playing table tennis in Parra. So those years, I think 25 years back, it was alive. Now it is gone. It's not there. So very few places you will find table tennis boards over there. People play. These tables are there, and it is very unique game because it is slowly going down, and it has to be revived. And for that, I think government needs to put in more efforts. For that, individuals like Kabir Pinto, Makija is doing a great job. He has organized this second memorial trophy in the name of his grandfather, Dr. Philip Pinto. I congratulate him and the family and the Club Vasco, who is supporting Kabir Pinto for this tournament. And I request that more and more people send their children to take this